37 dead dolphins washed ashore in the week following November 21st, 2018, in 2 counties alone in southwest Florida. Well over 100 dolphins have washed ashore in less than a year on the southwest coast of Florida. The number of dolphins that simply died and disappeared into the ocean will never be known. Many of the deaths are from red tide. Red tide is a naturally occurring algae bloom that is toxic and that smothers ocean life. Agricultural runoff, fertilizers from lawns and so forth are like giving red tide steroids. They make red tide far more widespread, dangerous, toxic, and persistent than it would ever be naturally. Now it is out of control. What is being done to stop the agricultural lawn and other runoff that is killing dolphins, manatees, shorebirds, seabirds, other marine life in the Gulf of Mexico? Nothing. Nothing is usual. If people want to live near the ocean, then they need to stop this destructive love affair with green, completely unproductive lawns. Green grass requires enormous amounts of water. It requires enormous amounts of fertilizer and chemicals, much of which runs off into the Gulf of Mexico, fueling red tide and poisoning the ocean. Native plants and a different vision for lawns will significantly help the Gulf. Do not allow cats outside anywhere near the coast by miles. Cats' feces runs into the ocean and is extremely harmful to marine life. The Gulf of Mexico is simply not designed to be the recipient of the huge amount of agricultural runoff and waste that's flowing into it. Natural water flow must be restored, which means choosing the Gulf of Mexico over a few wealthy sugarcane and other agricultural interests. Destroying the Gulf of Mexico means destroying countless jobs and much of the Florida economy. When the red tide passes one day, and many of the dolphins and other marine life are forever gone, along with countless shorebirds and seabirds, countless fish, invertebrates, and sea turtles, people may look at the sunset and marvel at the view. But for those who have known the abundance and beauties that may be forever lost, they will see the sun settling over a graveyard. Those moments when dolphins happen by along the coastline are an incomparable sight. If the bottlenose dolphins of southwest Florida are lost forever, living next to the graveyard will be a sad place indeed.